Hi everyone, welcome to LUVY-HOME's showroom. This is our new development, the fridge bench with the anti-slip mat inside. The anti-slip mat is has super adhesive effect, not as others. You can shake it and the mat will not fall out. And I will do the job test. See? There is no damage on the surface, no scratches as well, and the mat is never slip out. And you can see, even there is no scratches. So, you can choose LUVY-HOME.